Understanding Overcome by Emotion, a guide to expressing feelings in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful and evocative phrase in the English language, overcome by emotion. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding this expression can help you describe deep feelings and poignant moments more effectively. Let's explore what it means to be overcome by emotion, how to use this phrase in your conversations, and some examples to illustrate its meaning. To be overcome by emotion means to be so strongly affected by feelings that you are temporarily unable to speak, act, or think clearly. These emotions can be joy, sadness, love, anger, or any powerful feeling. The key aspect of this phrase is the intensity of the emotion. It's not just feeling something strongly, but being almost overwhelmed by it to the point where it controls your reactions and behavior. Everyday conversations. You might use this phrase to describe personal experiences or reactions to significant life events, such as weddings, funerals, reunions, or even watching a particularly moving film. For example, I was overcome by emotion when I saw them walking down the aisle. In writing and literature, authors often use this expression to convey the depth of a character's feelings. It's a powerful tool for storytelling, allowing readers to connect with the characters on an emotional level. During presentations or speeches, when sharing personal stories or trying to evoke empathy, saying you were overcome by emotion can help convey the sincerity and depth of your feelings to the audience. 1. As she read the letter from her long-lost friend, she was overcome by emotion. 2. The crowd was overcome by emotion as the athlete crossed the finish line, achieving a lifelong dream. 3. He was overcome by emotion during the speech, pausing to regain his composure. These examples showcase how the phrase can be used in various contexts to describe a powerful emotional response. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to be overcome by emotion, and how you can use this phrase to express deep feelings in English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying the richness of human experience. Whether you're sharing your own stories or crafting characters in a novel, knowing how to describe intense emotions can make your communication more effective and relatable. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.